How would you like to create content that people are readily paying $50 and $100 a piece for them, and to be able to do it all automatically using nothing but free online tools and have it all done for you literally in seconds? If that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I'm going to tell you about in my review of Riddle Mojo. Before we get to that, my name is Eric, and I'm not the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, made my knee over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip ahead. My jokes, they're stale. They're bad. I get it. You know, I tell these stale, boring dad jokes. Hey, I like my dad jokes, and so I tell them again and again, even though they're boring. But hey, you know what? My prerogative. You know, dads are supposed to be boring, I guess. And I'm not even a dad, though. Well, not yet, anyway. Hopefully soon. But anyway, but seriously, if you're new, it's two things: reviews, open info products, and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't have buy much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude. Nobody wants the crap. You don't want it. I don't want it. These people don't want it. Why do you keep this up? That guy, he has been around almost as long as Bart has. For those who have seen my videos before, you know that Bart drives me crazy. This guy has been around almost as long as Bart. He's been going on and on about loving crap, and he never explained why he loves crap. Won't tell me. I don't know why. He doesn't want to tell me. Guys, seriously. Seriously. Everything's very good if I like your product. I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do live videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. I see Liz, she is such a sweetheart. I love this lady. You know, she says the same thing all the time. Also, you think I would get angry at her, but who can get angry at such a sweet person? You know, but seriously, if you're new, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop the videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so looking right now at the sales page for Riddle Mojo. This is from Team Black Belt. They put out stuff all the time, and I don't always promote things from Team Black Belt. Some of the stuff has been great. Some of that stuff I wasn't so impressed with. This one is really, really cool. They can see some of the money that's being made from these things. These are some samples of, I think these are Fiverr offers that people are asking for. You can also, of course, go ahead and sell these kinds of books on Kindle. You know, that's what I personally do with these kinds of things, where I create them, post them on Kindle, and then sell them. Now, I'm going to show you how the software works in just a second, but I do want to explain something to you. So the software is really, really cool. It will allow you to create a puzzle in literally seconds. Okay, and you can do all kinds of stuff. You can do puzzles, you can do quizzes, you can do mazes, you know, all these activity books that people buy for their children. You can make these kinds of things in whatever topics you want, literally in seconds. Okay, but there's a catch. But I've got the catch solved for you. Okay, you see, first of all, even though once you have everything ready to roll, you can make these things in seconds, getting things ready to roll could take some time. You see, basically, I'm going to show you how the software works. Basically, what it's going to do for you is literally going to automate the process of creating these puzzles. So, for example, if you wanted to make a word search puzzle, you give it 10 words, for example, and it'll automatically take those 10 words and create an instant word search puzzle for you. It takes like about 5 seconds to do. But you still got to come up with the 10 words to add into the word search puzzle. Okay. You also got to come up with the ideas for what to put into the word search puzzle. So, like, you know, what topics that you're going to put in to the word search puzzle. On top of that, you also need to make an ebook cover. Okay, because people buy these things based on the book cover. They don't buy it just because, you know, there's some quizzes. They want to see a nice cover that Gets them excited about it. And all that stuff, if you didn't have me to help you out, would take you quite a bit of time to do. But of course, I got you covered. I'm going to take good care of you, as I always do. And boy, am I taking good care of you this time. So here's the deal. I'm going to do things like this. I'm going to go ahead and literally do everything for you. So first and foremost, I put together a list of over 832 to be exact, different topics that you can create these kinds of books about. So that's all done for you. Screw the competition. You don't have to worry about, that everybody's doing one about movies. I got you covered. I'm going to show you so many different topics. You can just pick one at random and run with it, and you'll be able to do it. Okay, you're going to have that list ready to roll straight from me, and I'm the only one who's going to hand it to you. Nobody else has it for you. Okay, now, of course, that alone is going to save you a lot of time, but you still got to come up with the words to be able to use for each one of these puzzles. So I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to instantly create all of the words that you need. Okay, this is, you could probably figure this out on your own if you know ChatGPT. It's not that hard to do, but if you don't know what to do, I'm going to show you how to do that. That's super easy to do. Literally take you a couple of seconds. You're going to punch this into ChatGPT, and it's going to spit out a list of words. You copy them, paste them into the software, boom, you're done. But you're not done yet. Okay, in addition to needing to come up with a topic idea, you need to come up with the words that you're going to put into these things, or the riddles, whatever, all the sort of things you can have ChatGPT do for you. You also got to make the ebook covers. Every single one of these things has a nice cover on it, you can see. Okay, and actually not just a cover, but actually a mock-up. Okay, and mock-up is different than a cover, because the cover, you can basically, it's not just enough to make a graphic. You need to make a mock-up, one that looks like a 3D image of a book that you're going to be selling. And that's where I'm really going to shine for you, because I'm going to show you how to combine 3 different completely free online pieces of software and make ebook cover mockups for free in 60 seconds flat. Actually, I think it took me about 48 seconds, but we'll say 60 seconds just to be safe. Okay, every single time they're going to be completely 100% unique. Nobody else will have a cover like yours. You never have to worry about copyright infringement. Okay, you never have to worry about any of that stuff. And every single time you're going to have a beautiful, perfect looking ebook cover, literally 60 seconds flat. You do not need any graphic design knowledge whatsoever. It's literally type a few words, cut and paste. Okay, but you need 3 different products. Okay, so even if you think you know about, oh yeah, I know, Eric, I know how to use AI art generators. Okay, maybe you do, maybe you don't. Okay, but even if you know how to use an AI art generator, that's not enough. You need 2 other products in order to be able to take that AI art and turn it into these kinds over here of ebook covers. That is what is going to be so special for you, that I'm going to be showing you how to do, that nobody else is going to do for you. Okay, literally, I'm going to take you from start to finish, the whole process. You can do everything. Make the puzzle, make the ebook cover, all in under 60 seconds. Okay, you make 20 puzzles. It'll literally take you about 5 seconds per puzzle to crank them out. It's going to take you about 48 seconds to make the ebook cover. And then all you got to do, upload it to Kindle with a nice ebook cover, and you're good to go. Okay, plus I'm also going to show you how to get ChatGPT to generate the description for you. So you don't even have to bother with the description either. So literally everything is done for you using AI and a few other online tools that nobody's going to show you how to use. I'm the only one who's going to do this for you. And you don't even have to come up with your own topic ideas, because I'm giving you 832 original topic ideas that you can make your ebooks about. So let me go show you how the software works. It's really, really cool, actually. So this is the members areas. You can see here, let's go ahead and click on create puzzles. So let's say that I wanted to make a puzzle. So I don't know. They've got a couple of samples here. You don't have to use those, obviously. So let's put in, I don't know, US states, let's say, just for the heck of it. Okay, so we'll put 10 US states: Pennsylvania, Ohio, Wisconsin, New York, New Jersey. I don't know what else. Virginia, South Carolina, Oregon. Let's see, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now, by the way, you won't have to generate this stuff. I'm doing this on the fly on my own, but when you use what I'm going to show you how to do, all you're going to do is, you'll be able to put in ChatGPT to get a list of 10 US states, for example, although I don't think that's even on my list of topic ideas because that's kind of obvious. I got other stuff that's really, really cool for you. And has all original stuff that nobody else has. Okay, let's see, I don't know, New Hampshire. That's enough for now. Doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's go ahead and click submit. All right, and instantaneously we have our puzzle created. Now, because I didn't put enough stuff, probably it kind of left a couple of spots blank here. We can go ahead and maybe add a couple more things. I don't know. Let's put in Florida maybe. And there was another state that we could put in, Montana. And West Virginia. Maryland. Okay. Let's go ahead and, whoops, guess we're gonna have to go back. Okay, you know what? Well, let's just, I don't know, put in world cities then. New York, London, Paris, Rome, Sydney, I don't know, some other world cities, Rio, I hope I'm spelling that right. Okay, let's go ahead and click submit. All right, there we go. And you can see here it's no longer got, spaces inside of it because I put enough stuff. Okay, and you can see here, of course, you can find London over here. Okay, and I can't find the other ones myself right now, but they're here. Here's Rome. Okay, so you can see all these things are added in as all automatically. You simply click download and you're done. And you put together about 20 or 30 of these, okay, and you add in the ebook cover using the method that I'm going to show you. You'll be done in seconds. Now, again, you do not have to generate this list. Okay, ordinarily you would have to do that yourself, and that's why it could take some time. But using my method, I'm going to show you how to do everything automatically using completely free software. So literally, you're going to generate the list of words literally in about 5 seconds. Just copy it, paste it in, and you're done. It's going to generate your puzzle for you. You download it, have it generate another one, copy, paste, boom, copy, paste, boom, copy, paste, boom. Okay, once you got about 20 or 30 of them, which literally will take you a few seconds each, then you're going to use my method to create custom-made ebook covers that are completely unique and all using completely free software that you won't ever have to pay a penny for. Everything is included for you. Okay, and I'm even going to give you a $5 off coupon. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, okay, you rock. This is really awesome software. And when you pair it with my bonus, this thing really does rock. It is amazing. The guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat as well. This really is great. You're going to love this.